Good morning, students. So today I will be teaching you about the last portion of this chapter called IT applications, which is e-learning. Now, what do you mean by e-learning? E-learning means electronic learning which is conducted via electronic media such as the laptops, the use of projectors, so that the learning can be conducted via electronic gadgets, and that will be typically on the internet. Now, Conrad defines effective e-learning as the integration of instructional practices and internet capabilities to direct a learner toward a specified level of proficiency in a specified competency. A successful e-learning depends on the self-motivation of individuals to study effectively. Now let's discuss about the benefits of e-learning. E-learning has opened up a new, much more flexible and accessible world of learning that was previously not available. E-learning can make learning exciting, engaging, and compelling. E-learning means that powerful and enduring learning experiences can be achieved not just through content but through the use of online communities and networks. Next, let's discuss about the key characteristics of e-learning. The following are the key characteristics defined to deliver the quality e-learning. The first one is participants do not have to be logged on to the course simultaneously at the same time, and they can even work in an asynchronous mode. So whatever time or at whatever moment the user or the participant desire to log on to the course, he can do so at his own will. Instructors of online courses can schedule lessons within a specific time frame so that participants can share similar experiences and insights. Online courses are led by a qualified person specifically trained in online facilitation. Designers create effective online courses with many specific elements that contribute to the sound pedagogy. So by pedagogy, we mean the method and the practice of teaching. And designers create effective online courses by putting many specific type of elements that will contribute to the method and practice of teaching for the learners. Online assessment is a continuous, ongoing process. Instructors find evidence of achievement in participants' daily contributions to online discussions. The next topic is e-learning model. Now, why do you think these e-learning models were introduced? There were certain issues that the instructors faced while trying to adopt this style of electronic teaching. That's why e-learning models have been introduced to suppress such type of issues faced by the instructors as well as the learners. E-learning models have evolved from classroom that integrates technology and pedagogical issues. As I've already mentioned, pedagogy means the method and the practice of teaching, and pedagogical issues covers the issues connected with the method and the practice of teaching. While the first e-learning models emphasized the role of the technology in providing content, delivery, and electronic services, more recent models focus on pedagogical issues such as online instructional design and the creation of online learning communities. There are different types of e-learning models. The first one is the demand-driven learning model, and the second one is the instructional design model. Let's start with the demand-driven learning model. The demand-driven learning model was developed in Canada. It was a collaborative effort between academics or the academicians and experts from private and public industries. So by public industries, we may refer to the government industries. The primary objective of the model is to encourage academics or the academicians to take initiative for the development and the use of technology in the teaching process. It emphasizes the three consumer demands. So who are the consumers? If we are the users, we'll be learning the content given to us by the instructors. Then we become the consumers who will be accessing those content delivered to us by the instructors. And if the content is an e-content, it emphasizes on the following three consumer demands. Those are quality, delivery, and services. So if we become the consumers of such electronic contents, we demand quality, delivery, and service. Content should be comprehensive, authentic, and well researched. Let's come to the next model, that is the instructional design model. One of the most crucial prerequisites for successful implementation of e-learning is the need for careful consideration of the underlying pedagogy or the method and practice of teaching, and to understand how learning takes place online. So a need for careful consideration is required to adopt a particular style of teaching which can present customized content and outcome-based objectives. Let's come to the next topic, that is massive open online courses. Massive open online courses, in short MOOCs, can be seen as a term or word related to the scalability and availability of open and online education for masses. The courses offered under MOOCs should be truly online, and all aspects of courses like tuition, practical tests, feedback, etc. should be accomplished online. The courses offered under MOOCs are accessible to almost all people without any limitations. So that's the end of this chapter, and in the next presentation I will start a new chapter.